Hello everybody, my name is Joel Fernandez and today I'm going to talk about the task in the Unit 3, how things work. You know that nowadays the technological devices are very important in our life and these are necessary. But sometimes we have had some problems with this gadget. So today I made a dialogue about a conversation of two classmates that have a problem with the sending of a virtual homework. Okay, I'm going to start. Donald, hello my friend. What happened with you? Why didn't you send biology's homework? Eric, hi Donald. I have some problem with my internet modem. What happened? First the device went off. I did not pay attention for this, but at time there was not signal. I was finishing the homework, but when I tried to send it, it was impossible. The internet went down. The start button was on, but anyway, I verified that the cable was connected to the plug. I called to the internet company and they said that my device was damaged. Oh man, you were very unlucky. You know that the biology teacher said the homework had to be sent before today. Yes, I know, but I have to talk to her and try to explain what happened. But you can try sending the homework now. Impossible! My laptop's battery used up. Oh my god, oh man. You are really unlucky. Okay, that's all. Thank you for your attention. I see you the next time. Bye bye.